those of you who don't know Sharefill, Sharefill is a non-profit organization dedicated to promoting investor education and advocating the rights of the retail investor in the Philippines. We believe that an informed investor is critical not only for the healthy and vibrant capital markets, but also for the development of a nation.
What is important is really understanding what it means to invest. So in terms of investment, it's really committing money to an endeavor with an expectation of a potential return. The winning formula, minus tithes. Give God first. Then that's the time you start allocating your funds.
Para sa akin, ang pinaka first step for you to really understand what to do when you want to do well in your investment is to understand economics. No, medyo basic, pero you have to understand that. So just follow the movement of the asset and you'll already find out what part of the economic cycle you are in. See? So dapat, in any investing, dapat you should be able to understand and anticipate.
Is it worthwhile to invest in REITs?
REITs itself, there's nothing wrong in REITs. But REITs kasi, again, interestingly, is also driven by interest rate.
Would it really be a good buy, especially for one who is starting to invest in stocks? If so, wouldn't you be exposed to the volatility of a foreign investor pulling out right away, and the first thing that they will pull out or sell will be the conglomerate stock?
You just have to look at long term. Day-to-day price appreciation or fall is hazardous to your health. So once you made the investment and you're committed long term, probably it's nice to look at it over a certain period of time.
So again, I'd like to thank everyone who are here today. And I truly believe that this session will be a valuable learning experience for everyone here. And let's now get started with leveling up our investing knowledge. Thank you. Have a good day.